Froze Okinda. Jonjore adek onegi Monj mar Jokuo jamni e gwenge malo Ibarangae Samburu ma milambo. Obila achiel dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e kar yudo thieth mar Rufaa mar Samburu bang' yudo hinyruok e monjno.
So yesterday we received the patient from Pura after having sustained gunshot wounds on the posterior abdomen, which is the point of exit of the point of entry of the wound, of the bullet, and there was an exit wound on the anterior abdomen around the lumbar region. We assessed the patient with our general surgeon, Dr. Dalma, and we found that there was bleeding from the abdomen after we did our ultrasound scans. So after the scans, the decision to do an emergency laparotomy was made. So we did the laparotomy and we opened the abdomen and found out the injured organs. The liver was injured.
Piny Kenya ochopo winjruok mar tiyo kanyakla